Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is Friday, the 16th of May 2025. Just looking at some setups on the daily Forex charts using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. Four new trades this morning. One involves a bit of loss recovery, but we'll go through them. First one's the Aussie yen. So took a new sell today. It's already moved in my favour a little bit. So here's the sell here, S2, just been sequenced to. I'm still in this buy trade from the 11th of April. And it's got to stop and place this red dotted line there. So that buy is locked in, profit, can't lose on that. Sell, there's a nice resistance level on price here, that blue line, or double top, triple top, whatever you want to call it, just a resistance level. The MACD Platinum, which is just a zero lag MACD, is well above the zero level. And remember, I'm generally looking to sell when it's above the zero level and buy when it's below the zero level. It's an oscillator. So I took a sell here this morning. I got in pretty close to the open. It's obviously moved a little bit since I've updated all my spreadsheets and taken screenshots, etc. So we're heading in the right direction, and we're in a buy and a sell at the same time. The next pair is the pound yen. Now this is a little bit tricky. Very similar to Aussie yen. You've got to remember all the yen pairs are fairly correlated. They all sort of tend to move the same a lot of the time. I'm still in a buy trade from the 16th of April. So there's the buy down here. Stop and place. Can't lose on that. So all good on the buy trade. I took a new sell trade today. Now, this could be a standalone trade. No big deal. For me, it's a part of a loss recovery sequence, LRQ, loss recovery, based on the QMP filter dots. So the first sell was here. You can read my notes here, pause the video. It was for 0.1, so it's a sell, MACD platinum above the zero level. Nice signal. Then we had a reversal. We had a blue QMP filter dot, which is just these red and blue dots on the price chart. Had a blue dot there. So basically closed the sell for a loss and took a second buy. It was a bigger position at 0.30. So it's 3 times the original one. And today it's got up to this previous high, so we got this resistance level. Got a sell signal today, so took a third sell at 0.5. And my targets, there's 2 targets, 2 yellow dotted lines. The first one is if price just gets to there, then I just close all trades, close the trade, and I recover all the loss I've had. So I've had about $600 in loss. I recover all that in one foul swoop. If it say it blows through, that one hits the second line here. Once it gets to the second line, means I can basically close 4/5 or 0.4 of that third sell trade and put a trail with a stop and place and recover my loss at the same time. Just gives me more options. I much prefer to. I wasn't real keen on taking the buy, but I'm just following my rules. Because these trades highlighted in orange, they do this loss recovery technique. So it's a nice. I like this setup. It's a good second sell, and it's already proved, like the Aussie yen, it's proved to already heading in the right direction quickly. MACD platinum above the zero level. So if it's a standalone, you just take the sell here. If you're a traditional sort of trader with stops in place, take the sell, put your stop above this high somewhere, just sort of halfway between the writing and the blue line there, and that's a good sell trade, good sell setup there. Usually on the Forex pairs, especially on the daily chart, any double tops, double bottoms, or big levels of resistance or support, generally a good place to trade off, especially on the higher time frames. So it's a loss recovery mode. It's a little bit confusing, but there's definitely a standalone sell there if you're just going to take the sell trade. Euro Aussie, a buy trade this morning. MACD platinum well below the zero level, and my favorite sort of divergence, hidden bullish divergence. So we got higher lows on price and lower lows on the MACD platinum. It's just MACD platinum is just an oscillator. It's just like any MACD. Always comes back to that zero level eventually. So we're still in a sell trade here from the, what's that date? 14th of April. Stop and plays, can't lose on that. I just normally trail to stop somewhere near the simple 20 moving average. So we can't lose on the sell. Taking a buy this morning. Good setup. I like this. MACD platinum long way below the zero level and that hidden bullish divergence. So it's a good setup. That's the Euro Aussie buy. And finally, the Aussie Swiss. Took a sell this morning. Again, hidden bearish divergence. So we've got lower highs on price and higher highs on the MACD platinum. MACD platinum is above the zero level. There's the zero level there. So it's a good setup. Sell, and it's already gone in my favor a few pips. Any green lines like this you see are just generally a round number. In this case, it's 0.50. If you look at the Aussie, you'll see the round numbers, hopefully, yeah. So there's 0.65 and there's 60 cents. So any round numbers like that. All right, boys and girls, that's it for the video. So 4 new trades. All could be standalone trades, just a pound yen. I'm doing something different because it's had to go into trade management mode. I've got different techniques for different colors on this watch list. These bottom few, I'm removing them from the watch list once they're done. So a lot happening. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Cheers.